New companies are providing a steady stream of capital and opportunity in America today. According to data, 2015 is expected to be a good year to start a small business. In fact, small businesses created 94,000 jobs this past February, with that number expected to rise over the course of a year. What a thriving economy means for new business owners is less competition and a better financial climate. Here with more is small business expert, entrepreneur, and author Susan Solovic, and also Gaby Boko. She is SVP of Marketing at Sage North America. Ladies, good morning. So great to have you on the show this morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning, Stephanie.
What tips, Susan, maybe would you give someone just starting a small business?
The best advice for somebody just starting a business, Stephanie, is to really take an assessment and make sure you have the right stuff. It's not for everybody. Not everybody's cut out to be their own boss. So make sure you're really good at working on your own, a self-starter, like people, good at sales, all of those kinds of things, because you wear all those hats as the owner.
Gaby, is 2015 a great year to start a small business? Is this the time right now?
Oh, yeah, I would say that 2015 is a killer year to start, and that's because small businesses really drive the economies of every country. 2015 is about following your dream and following your passion, and if you're really looking to make change, don't just do it at the government level, do it at the community level. Support your small business. So 2015, I say grab it by the horns and do it.
Turn those dreams into a reality. How do you know, though, maybe when your hobby is actually your dream, how do you know when it's time to turn that into a business? Or how to make that work?
Well, I think if you have a hobby business kind of on the side and you see that it's really growing and flourishing and it starts to compete with your 9-to-5 job, that's a good indication that you really have an opportunity to market and sell that. But the other thing to consider is just keep in mind, if you turn that hobby into a full-time job, are you still going to enjoy it, or is it going to be a chore?
So true. A great question to ask yourself. I know there's a lot of tax benefits when it comes to owning a small business and owning your own business. Is there a way somebody can take that tax refund maybe this year to launch their new business?
Absolutely. Tax refunds are the great starter for small businesses. If you have a passion and you have a dream, and as Susan has already said, you have a plan, then take the money that you get from the government and decide how to invest it. Have a conversation with a banker so that you learn how to extend it so you aren't just working off of the tax refund itself. But there's so many good things you can do with the tax refund, and you know what? Changing a little bit of your own direction in life with it is a great thing to do.
What kind of challenges do you think there are when it comes to starting a business, both personally and professionally?
Well, personally, I think you really have to make a commitment to the business. I think that the concept of work-life balance when you're first getting started, it's a myth because you're going to work harder and longer than you've ever worked in your life. So you've got to be willing to make that commitment and the sacrifices that you need in order to succeed. The second thing is the financial issues. Can you really finance your business, get it up and going without taking an income at it? The first year, you're probably going to lose money. The second year, break even. Third year, start to show a profit. So do you have the personal assets to manage that, take care of your family? That's one aspect that a lot of small businesses don't think about when they start. They think that company's going to start churning out cash, and that's just not the way it works.
And just a few seconds left here as we close here. Any other remarks you would give to entrepreneurs out there that really want to make those dreams become a reality?
You know, I think be authentic, follow your passion. You know, more women are going to start businesses this year than men. More Gen Xers are going to start businesses this year. So if you really have a hankering and a passion, then this is the year to try to do it.
That's right.
A little bit of elbow grease, hard work, passion, you said it, and there's really nothing better than being your own boss. Ladies, thank you so much. Is there a place online we can learn more about starting our own business in 2015?
Absolutely. Sage.com, Sage Advice, and Susan Solovic as the Thought Leader blog.
Thank you both so much. We're going to have more on this segment posted online to our website. That's going to be fox4morningblend.com.
All right, whether you are moving 2 miles down the road, maybe 30 miles across town, or even across the country, you and your family can benefit from hiring professionals. Up next, why you should let Hilton Moving and Storage take care of your moving checklist. But first, your Fox forecast and news headlines.